Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by eliminating local issues. Sign out of Gmail across devices, then open an incognito window and try to load mail. Google.com. Once done, clear your browser cache, cookies, and site data specifically for Google domains so stale tokens are removed. Make sure you're not using a bookmarked URL with extra parameters. Type mail. Google.com manually. These steps remove corrupted session data and often resolve 400 errors caused by bad cookies or broken redirect parameters. Next, you diagnose redirect and extension issues. Inspect the browser address bar for long or malformed query strings. Remove everything after mail. Google.com and press enter. If the page loads, a bad redirect was the cause. Disable all browser extensions and reload to identify an add-on conflict. Then test a different browser or device to determine if the problem is local or account-related. If the error disappears elsewhere, you know it's browser-specific and can reset settings or reinstall. To finish, target account-level tokens and permissions. Go to your Google account security settings, revoke suspicious app access and any stale sessions, then sign out everywhere. Once done, clear cookies again and sign back in to force fresh OAuth tokens. Make sure your browser is up to date and try accessing Gmail from mobile data or another network. If the 400 error persists, contact your G Suite admin or Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the problem on a different network and device to prove whether it's account versus local.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.